The governor said government achieved its primary surplus target for the financial year 2024-2025.
That would have led to reflected a slowing of inflation to 0.9%. It also was consistent with our employment data showing easing to 7.1% from 8.3%. We'll go through that in a bit detail further. Also, that growth, expansion economy would have supported a primary surplus, reserve increase to all-time high of $3.4 billion, and at the same time, the current account deficit would have narrowed slightly over the period. The debt to GDP ratio also benefited from the economic expansion, declining further to 102.8% of GDP. And the financial sector remained quite robust and buoyant, with growth increasing in terms of credit growth, and also non-performing loans continue to go down to all-time low.
The top bank official said the good performance of the economy was led by a robust performance in the tourism sector.
Generally, we have broad-based growth. It was tourism stimulating activity in all sectors. Tourism contributed most in terms of the growth, increasing by 9.5% over the period. You can see the 2.6 quarter, and all sectors are above the zero line. Tourism up 9.5%, construction up 6.4%, of course reflecting the tourism public sector projects, Rollerton, Pendry, Apesville Villas, also individual residential condo developments, public sector works, etc. Business and service sector, that was at 3.3% due to the increased demand for our services.
But the governor cautioned about trade tensions and supply chain supplies, which had also influenced the global outlook. And as a consequence, projections for Barbados had been adjusted downwards to 2.7%.
Now that reflects, again, the slowing of the global economy, particularly U.S. economy, which is our number one trading partner. Also reflected the spin-off effects that we expect will come perhaps through the tourism arm impacting our economy. Now, we still expect growth to be led by tourism, and just to explain the chart a bit, this line going across says our medium-term growth projection. We originally had our growth at 3%, we're down to 2.7%, but we expect it to come back up and set around 3%. These are bands, upside risk, downside risk. Now, what is going to support that 2.7%? We expect it to be tourism, construction, and business services that will continue to contribute to that.
Now is the time to invest in ourselves and in our productive capacity, and the bank official said it must be in projects that would define our economic future.
Every crisis is an opportunity. It's not only an opportunity for us, but it's a responsibility for us to rise above division, zero intention, and share a resilient and distinctively Barbadian future.
The Central Bank governor says, given the uncertainty of the world, work has started on a BERT 3 program. Trevor Thorpe, CBC News.